Are you annoyed with the Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20 DLL failure blocking your code instructions? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's restore that vital system connection right now. Get the professional Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20 fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20, the runtime module for Visual C++ 2.0. It provides the implementation for early heap management routines. It is required for titles like the original Doom or Quake for Windows. Its absence in modern GOG or Steam retro installs is a frequent cause of application failed to initialize errors. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The professional protocol for this error is a fresh installation of Microsoft Visual C++. Navigate to the Microsoft site to download the Visual C++ Redistributable packages for x86 and x64, then complete both installations. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20 DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime 20 was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.